Sunday, July 2nd, 4th of July weekend, Cave Run Marina. Beautiful day right now. Chance of rain, but there's not a lot of people out here. Nice day. Looks like it could be a nice day down here. And welcome to Jeff's Trips. I'm Jeff, and we are down here at Cave Run Lake, July 2nd, 2023. And yesterday ended up being pretty good at the end of the day. Hopefully today will be decent, 30 to 40% chance of rain. So down here that could mean anything. Welcome aboard. All right, I made it in the water. Cold.
No.
But manageable.
It is really good.
Manageable.
Great. It is fantastic. It is fun.
It's not raining. It's been beautiful all day.
We get cloud cover once in a while that helps with cooling it down somewhat. There's a breeze here and there. And it's quiet. They're behaving. What?
I planned on taping over them, but then I wanted to keep a master recording of everything. It's like $50 for 5 hours.
You can't like do a master recording just from like YouTube keeping it?
You could, but what if I ever lost my account or something that YouTube dumped or something like that?
Yeah, that's true.
Because this would be
Can
just
you back it up to your Google
computer.
account somehow?
Yeah. Oh yeah. You can actually you can get an iCloud account for your for the GoPro.
Okay.
But you got an iCloud for your phone, iCloud for.
I don't pay for extra iCloud on my phone.
And if I could just keep it on the chip.
Because all my pictures go to Google.
Yeah.
I just save it all there.
Trying to get a view of the boats here. It's kind of hard to swim with Mike holding up the camera.
The boaty.
Oh my god. I know. I told you I'm not moving that shit one more time.
And it just all went. And you're like, yeah, next time you never uses it, we moved in here. We moved it to here. We're not moving it again. I haven't even thought about like the stuff I got rid of.
And I like to cook stuff.
It's cool.
It's like one
Cool view.
purging your pantry is the
Sam, expired. Sam's like the commercial lady, the aunt lady that comes over or whatever.
Yeah.
Is that for Geico? I think is who the commercial's actually for.
Yeah.
She's in there in the kitchen. Yeah, the ants. Because exactly.
Little bit of trash in the water right here. Yeah, a little swimmy.
Yeah. Oh, I can't watch any of that. That's terrifying. It gives me like the heat.
You know you're in trouble. You know there's
It does.
You can see me in the water there.
Why is it all trashy?
I don't know. It just blew in, I think. Some scumlage.
Just
Figures it was when I got in,
out of nowhere.
when the nastiness came in.
People are doing or whatever. Get like
Had your phone in it.
It's okay.
Oh man. Rainstorm's coming in. Coming in hot. Whew. There's a walk. Just in time. Oh man. I'm talking just in time. Woo! Did you want to go down to the gas station?
Yeah, might as well go now.
Okay.
Well, I don't have my purse, so you will have to probably.
I got my wallet.
You have your wallet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have my purse.
All right, we got some weather coming in.
It's all that talk of Toto.
Back in, I should say. Got weather coming back in. It got pretty for a little bit, and then getting crazy again.
Twister!
Hope not in a
Have
tiny
you ever
house.
been in a tornado?
Yeah, actually.
I have once. Yeah, I have one time.
Shelby and I had to hide during the El Reno.
Yeah.
We were moving across country.
Oh, no shit.
And we stopped and hid in the cooler of like a Circle K.
Holy crap.
There's about
That's
15 of us in
wild.
there because there's no basement.
Yeah,
Looking
sure.
crazy.
Yeah.
So, yeah, with the dog soaking wet in this cooler. Yeah, it's horrible. And of course, Shelby lost her mind.
Our house in Milford
Got the grill
was one of the
going.
few in our neighborhood that had a basement, and it also had
Brad's
a
got Brad's got
so
his
you could go into
umbrella.
our cistern room.
Can't stop grilling
Did
now.
you let like
Umbrella.
Oh,
Umbrella,
absolutely.
umbrella,
Yeah,
umbrella.
100%. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. There were people there with
I did
us.
one time. We started having a lot of
Trying to see if I could get a lightning
summer
on the
2018 or 2019.
camera here.
It think we started having them here.
Yeah.
And I went across the street because
But it's
they
definitely
had
crazy
the
looking.
lower level and we didn't in the condos. And I just woke up the neighbors.
I can edit. Yeah, we just missed the lightning. I'll turn the camera back on.
Joe, it's not coming after you.
Got some flashes out there.
It's just a little heat lightning.
Wakita, it's about to hit Wakita. So get Ant.
Getting crazy.
You know they're doing a Twister too?
Yes, I did see that. I didn't tell Jeff though.
And here's the sick
It's
part.
only the worst movie.
Bill
ever.
Paxton?
Shelby and
Well, I guess
get
it's not Bill
stuck in this
Paxton.
tornado, yet
Yeah.
we love Twister.
Yeah.
And we will watch it.
This looks really cool though.
Yeah.
Coming across the front, like how you can see the difference between like the two cloud banks.
2 flat banks.
Flouts. Flouts. No, I'm telling you, dude, it's just gonna roll up on out of it.
There's one time
I hope.
when I was a freshman in college,
Starting to get windy
the
now.
cafeterias were all windows, upper and lower.
Yep.
And they said, you need to go back to your dorm. Our dorm didn't have a cafeteria yet, the freshman dorm. You need to go back to your dorm, go to the basement where the cafeteria is.
Feeling a raindrop.
And all, on the back wall and just
Yep.
waited.
Brad, honey, do you want to leave your bugs out for on?
All day.
Okay, well, I just meant with,
It might attract the light.
if it gets real interesting over
Do you
there, that would be
understand?
cool.
This this thing will go up like that.
Stand out here with an umbrella. Grill.
No, we can move it into our little toaster.
Yeah, I mean, really, if that's
We'll eat
necessary.
in shifts. We'll have a 4-course meal.
Getting crazy.
Here's your veggies. Here's your bread. Here's your salad. Here's your chicken. Now your chicken's ready.
Might get my long sleeve shirt here before it starts raining. Ew, it's gonna start raining. Yeah, it's coming across the field there. I'd say it's getting ready to hit.
I think it's here.
Yeah, I'd say get on
Say the rain's here now.
But it's good though, because you just flipped everything, so you can let it chill for 10 minutes and let it rain. And... It's a big cat rain.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy. Boy. You coming in?
Yeah, I had to get a bunch of shit. Look at that.
Mobile bar.
Yeah.
Looking good.
It's dangerous. It's dangerous.
We had to come in. Raining like we the people outside.
Yeah, it got a little risky out there. But we did get the chicken first.
Ah, look at that glow out there. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in the morning, sailor's warning. So hopefully that means that we'll be good going forward.
That would never fly with the red.
Gotta turn the music off though. Alright, we are in the dinette eating our tiny food with our tiny home.
Tiny dinette and a tiny
Jen's trying.
with our gigantic chicken.
Gigantic chickens. Probably eat half of it. It was raining outside.
It was pouring.
Well, today was a big day. Sunday, July 2nd, 2023. And we had a great day. Better weather than we could have hoped for out on the lake. We were out there about 5 hours, 5+ hours, and it was sunny, beautiful. Then all of a sudden the storm started to come in, and we were lucky enough to get the boat in the marina before the bad part hit. So, but great day today. We're gonna do one more day tomorrow. Tomorrow's getaway day, and that'll be the conclusion of our 4th of July weekend out at the lake. Tomorrow will be the 3rd. So hope you all had a great day with us. Thanks for joining along. Good night, everybody.